What is up, YouTube? This is Alex O, your go-to Houston realtor for new construction and new construction communities. We are here taking a look at this Perry Homes model floor plan on their 55-foot product. This is the 2737. We're here in the community of Elyson in Katy, Texas. Now, before we get into the home tour, what we do on this channel is we take a look at inventory homes and new construction communities so that you guys can get a feel of what's out there before you even have to make the drive out. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and start this home tour. So Perry Homes, I freaking love Perry Homes. They're a really good builder. Love this elevation that they got going on. You're going to see this elevation a lot in some of their move-in ready homes. And if you want a really good deal, go for the move-in ready inventory homes, because if they're just sitting on the market, the builder wants to get rid of them, they're going to keep lowering the price until somebody bites. So if you want a good deal, go for an inventory. But they also have options to pick your own lot and build from the ground up. But let's go ahead and check out this model house right here. So a little over 2,700 square feet. Love this glass door right here. You got an 8-foot glass door, and right off the bat, coming inside here, you have really tall ceilings and a very open floor plan. This is a 1-story home, a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, and you got 2 different office spaces right here. So this is going to be office number 1. Love that they have this little arch on the window right here, and take a look at that ceiling. Really nice accent ceiling right there, and you got some extra storage right here. But this office space, double glass French doors, which is really nice. I think it brings a good elevation to this office space. And on the floor, you have wood tile. Let me give you guys a zoom of that. Wood tile throughout the whole house, which is really great. Me personally, I prefer wood tile. It's a much more expensive flooring. I think it looks better, I think it feels better, and it's much more durable. To my left right here, normally this would be your garage, but for now it's going to be a sales office. Okay, so you got a mud area right here. This is going to be bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, you guys can kind of see how much furniture you can fit inside this room. So dresser, bed, 2 nightstands, plenty of space. And this bedroom actually comes with a full-size bathroom. Yeah, so I love that they put the tile all the way up to the ceiling. I see a lot of builders like to just cut off that portion right there and leave it drywall, but love that they do that right here. So single vanity, you got your walk-in closet right here. You guys can see how much space is inside this house. So I think this is really cool that for a 1-story, it feels really big. Okay, you got 2 bedrooms right here. They're going to share a bathroom. This is going to be bedroom number 2. All right. Closet space. Let's take a look. Really good closet space. Cannot complain about that at all. Bedroom number 3. This is going to be a really quick tour because it's 1-story. Makes things pretty easy for me. Closet space is about the same size as the other bedroom, but they're gonna go over here. They're gonna share this bathroom right here. So another full-size bathroom, single vanity. Love this quartz countertops that they got going on right here. I really like the striations and patterns on this quartz countertops. Undermount sink, which is great. That's what you want. And I do like that the floor goes all the way into the bathroom. All right, so walking over here, take a look at that accent ceiling up top, but very open floor plan. I did mention there's like 2 office spaces right here. You can really make this a media room if you wanted to. Love that has that little arch on top of the window. Lots of natural light coming into this house, and you do have the double glass French doors right here. Okay, they're pretty wide doors. I really like that. This space right here is really wide. A lot of offices usually have like a single door sometimes, or it will just be like 1 foot skinnier, but this is really nice and wide. I like it a lot. But over here, you're gonna have a half bath for guests to use. And right here, got some extra storage. This is going to be your utility room. So washer and dryer are going to be right here. And I think it's great that it's located in the middle of the house so that it makes doing laundry a little bit easier because your primary bedroom is going to be right here and your other bedrooms are going to be over there. So kind of in the middle of everything. This is going to be your main living area. Very, very open floor plan, like I mentioned. Great space for entertaining. You got 10-foot ceilings throughout the whole house. Fireplace right there. Love that they put the curtains all the way to the top of the ceiling rather than right above the window. You really want to make sure that if you guys are going to buy curtains, put it all the way to the top. It just makes the house look a lot better. Lots of LED lights on the ceilings. Really, really good size kitchen island right here. You see you fit about 4 bar stools. Nice quartz countertops right here. You got your pantry, which has double doors. Let me open this up for you guys. Double doors, plenty of storage. What I like about Perry Homes is that a lot of times they're gonna leave paint for you guys to touch up, and you guys can kind of figure out what kind of paint they use. So I think that's a nice little detail that they got going on for you guys. Okay, so this would be the breakfast area right here. We got all these wall of windows right here. You got like 9 windows to bring in that natural light. It's about 3 o'clock right now, so you guys can kind of see just how much light can really flow into this house. Okay, so nice big kitchen island right here. They actually have a trash chute right here, trash jar. Stainless steel appliances. You got your oven, your microwave, and really cool looking backsplash right here. I'm gonna give you guys a close up of that right there. This is gonna be your 5 burner gas cooktop. And what I love about Perry Homes is that they make the vent hood kind of hidden so that it's not really out there for you to look at. Me personally, I really like this a lot. I don't like it when vent hoods, the stainless steel vent hoods are kind of just out there. I think it's just too much stainless steel in a kitchen. If you want to keep things looking natural and more homey, you gotta hide that vent hood. All right, but vent hood, it's gonna suck up all that air and it's gonna flow outside of the house. Okay, so plenty of storage space in this kitchen. I like it a lot. You got a undermount single basin sink right here. Really nice and wide. Fridge is gonna go right here. So loving this floor plan a lot. Let's go ahead, go into the primary bedroom right here for you guys. So this is the primary bedroom located near the back of the house. So they got 3 windows to bring in more of that natural light. A little slant on the ceiling right there. You guys can see that, but really nice and spacious. You can fit a king size bed, bench, 2 dressers. They got a little accent chair and a dresser right here. So they still have all this space right here for you to walk around. So I love that this bedroom size is really nice and big. French doors into your primary bath, freestanding bathtub with a really large walk-in shower. Let me go over here real quick. So I believe this is just a linen closet right here, but separate vanities. Always love that. I can't stand it when my wife puts her stuff on my vanity because our vanities right now they're shared, but I love that they're separate. So I'm a really big stickler on that. But I love that they have these stacked drawers right here. Stacked drawers. Love the quartz countertops right here. Mirrors are nice. 2 windows inside this bathroom. And let me show you guys this amazing walk-in shower right here. So this walk-in shower is really nice and spacious. And like I said, they bring the tile all the way up to the ceiling, which is great. They also have a fan up there to suck up all that steam. Okay, so toilets right here. This is going to be your walk-in closet. So you got some built-in shelving right here, some more shelves over there, plenty of space for you to hang your clothes. So this is awesome. Again, this is a 55-foot product. Square footage of the house is a little over 2,700. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this house so far. I love it a lot. Give you guys a view of that front entryway right there. And then let's head into the backyard. So backyard, a lot of your Perry Homes products on the inventory homes, it's very windy today. They are going to have a fully covered back patio. All right. This patio is extended a little bit, but a lot of the homes that I've seen so far with Perry Homes on their inventory homes, their patio size is actually pretty close to this model house. The only thing is that outside here, they have the same wood tile. Normally, you're just going to have like standard concrete on your backyards, but model house is usually decked out. But anyways, so this is the back of the house. Lot size is going to vary from house to house, but you're not going to have any wood on the outside. So if you're the type of person that doesn't like wood or hardy wood or just that wood look, I would go for a Perry Homes build because they don't do any of that. Strictly brick and stone on the exterior. So I love Perry Homes a lot. They build really, really, really good homes. They have some pretty good deals out right now, starting in the low 500s for their 55-foot products. And for their, for their 45-foot products, they have homes starting in the low 400s. So that's it for today's tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions about this house, or if you want me to negotiate for you on one of those inventory homes, or if you want to build from the dirt up, feel free to click the link in my bio, or you can reach out to me at 832-340-4452. That's it for today's tour. I will see you guys in the next video.